Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some seriously cool news about Google's upcoming Pixel phones that you definitely don't want to miss. So, grab some popcorn, sit back, and let's dive right in. Alright, first things first. Let's talk about the powerhouse behind the Pixel 9 series, the Tensor G4 chip. This bad boy is going to be at the heart of the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. But here's the juicy bit. It's going to be the last Tensor chip that's only partially customized by Google. Yep, you heard that right. Starting with the Pixel 10 in 2025, Google is taking the wheel and fully customizing the Tensor G5 chip. I mean, how cool is that? And it gets even better. The Tensor G5 is going to be crafted by TSMC using their cutting-edge 2nd Gen 3 nanometer process. For those of you who don't speak techie, this means more power and better energy efficiency compared to Samsung Foundry's 4 nanometer process used in the G4. So, if you're thinking about upgrading to a Pixel 9, you might want to hold your horses and wait for the Pixel 10. Trust me, it's going to be worth it. Now, let's geek out over some specs. The Tensor G4 is packing 1 Cortex-X4 performance core clocking in at 3.1 GHz, 3 Cortex-A 720 cores at 2.6 GHz, 4 Cortex-A 520 cores running at 1.95 GHz. Unlike the Tensor G3 in the Pixel 8 series, which has 9 cores, the G4 has 8, but with faster clock speeds. So, you're definitely getting a boost in performance here. And for all you benchmark enthusiasts, here are the AnTuTu scores. Pixel 9, 1,071,616. Pixel 9 Pro, 1,148,452. Pixel 9 Pro XL, 1,176,410. To put that in perspective, the Pixel 8 scored around 900,000, and the Pixel 8 Pro hit 1,142,984. And for you iPhone fans, the iPhone 15 Pro Max scored 1.5 million, and the S24 Ultra goes closer to 2 million. Just a heads up, these scores are from pre-release versions, so expect even better performance when the final version drops in October. If top-tier performance isn't a priority for you, and you're satisfied with the current capabilities of a flagship phone for your daily tasks, you'll be just fine. So, are you hyped for the Pixel 9? Or are you going to hold out for the fully customized, TSMC-made, next-gen Tensor G5 in the Pixel 10? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.